Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me, WDO. Now, as you can see, it's time to make a video about origami. This time I'm gonna make a origami parrot for you. So, what you need, to make this beautiful and easy origami parrot is, of course, this one, the origami paper, and then this one, scissor, and the last one and this one is a marker or a pen to make a color in this one, the mouth and the foot of the parrot. Okay, so now let's jump to the way or to the how to do it. First of all, what you need to do is, of course, fold the origami paper. You fold it something like this. Fold it to the diagonal side, okay? Something like this. Gonna fold it together to the diagonal side. Okay, already folded. And then this is the first diagonal. Now we fold it once again to the other diagonal. I'm gonna do it slowly so you can follow my step at home. Something like this, yeah. The next diagonal, okay. Okay, something like this. Okay, now it's all ready to. I'm gonna put it aside, yeah. Okay, now it's already to diagonal. Now fold it to the straight line, okay, to the horizontal side. Okay, fold it to the horizontal side. I'm gonna make it slowly for you. So what you have to remember in mind, that is so easy. You have to just to fold it to the diagonal side, and then to the horizontal side, and then the last one, can you guess it? Yeah, you're right, to the vertical side. So now I'm gonna fold it to the vertical side, something like that. So this is the first step, folded the origami paper to diagonal, horizontal, and vertical side. Now it's already folded. What you have to do, just pinch it something like this, you hold it in the diagonal side and pinch it something like this. Okay, you go, there you go. It's so easy, right? Okay, you pinch it something like this, so make it something like this, and then after you pinch it, you make something like this, so it will be square. So you make a square now, little square, something like this. Okay, as you can see, it's already a square. Now if it's already a little square like this, what you have to do is you fold it again, this one, the right side, you something like this. Okay, you fold it to the middle. Just follow me. Fold it to the middle, something like this. Okay, but first you make it fold it to the middle. Okay, there you go, something like that. Okay, fold it to the middle, and then do it to the other side also. Fold it to the middle. Okay, now we got it already folded to the middle. Now just make it be nice and firmly folded. Now if you already folded this side, now we move to the other side. We do the same thing, fold it to the middle in okay, something like this. Okay, we fold it nice and firm, as you can see, that one, and then we fold it also nice and firm to the middle. Okay, nice nice and firm. It's so easy. Yeah, so the first step is fold it to diagonal, horizontal, vertical, and then make a square, a little square out of it, and then fold it to the middle, something like this. So now we have a kite. Now after this, what you have to do, yeah, it looks like a kite. Okay, so you can see it looks like a kite. Now what you have to do is this one, yeah, the bottom one, we fold it upside, so it's look like a triangle like now. Okay, so you can see it looks like a triangle. And then after that, just open it all. Yeah, open it all. So after we open it all, just open it all. Okay, already open it all, something like this. So it's a pattern. Yeah, it's a pattern. Now we fold it once again to diagonal side, something like this. Okay, fold it once again to the diagonal side. It will be easier because that's already a line, yeah, on that side. Yeah, after that, just flip it. Yeah, it's like a mountain triangle. Now what you have to do is take the scissor. Yeah, take the scissor. So this is the maybe the easiest part. Just, yeah, in this one, so you can see there's a line. Just cut it in that line to that one. Yeah, as you can see, there's a line here, so that is the border. Okay, something like that. After you do that, what you have to do is the first step, I mean, yeah, the beginning step. What you have to do is just, yeah, put it to the horizontal. Yeah, horizontal, something like this, and then pinch it again, so it will we will make the same pattern as we made earlier, something like this. Okay, so pinch it to make a little square again, and then as you can see, this is that the I was cut. Yeah, something like it. Put it on the top, so this is the what I've cut before. Yeah, and then just do what we done before, make something like this. Yeah, the kite pattern. I see, something like that. As you can see, so easy. Yeah, and then this one, you just something. Wow, it looks like a diamond. Yeah, it looks like a diamond. Yeah. After that, what you have to do is this is the a little bit tricky, but I know you can do that. Yeah, after you make this one, the diamond pattern, something like this, now just open it up again, and then what we have to do is put your thumb. Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Yeah, put your thumb here, and then do something like that. Yeah, do something like that. Okay, can you see? Do something like that, and then make something like this. Okay, yeah, there you go. Make something like this. So I'm gonna make it more slick. Okay, something like this. So we already got something like this. Okay, so you can see it's so easy. Yeah, okay, now we got something like this, and then do it also for the other side. So I'm gonna do it also for the other side. I'm just gonna flip it over. Yeah, I'm gonna flip it over. Yeah, something like this. 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah, 3, something like this. and then just open it up again, and then as I said before, put your thumb here and then make a kind of pattern, okay, something like this and something like this. Okay, so we already got a pattern here. I'm gonna make it for you, something like this and something like this. Ta-da! Okay, now wow, we got a nice diamond, yeah, a nice diamond here. As you can see, we got nice diamond. Now, after we got something like this, what you have to do is easy, yeah. Now we got it over here. Now we put it to, okay, I'm gonna show you, okay. So we got something like this, we just flip it, yeah, and then something like this, do something like this, okay, do something like this, yeah. So I got here and here, okay, here and here. Now I'm gonna pinch it over again to make something like that, okay. Okay, I'm gonna pinch it over here also to make something like that. Okay, now we got something like this, as you can see, yeah, we got something like this. Okay, we got something like this, and then what we have to do, now we gonna make something like this, okay, just like before, fold it something like that, okay, and then already fold it, do for the other side, we fold it, yeah, something like that, okay. And then after that, what you have to do is just open it up again and then do the same thing, yeah, use your thumb, yeah, to hold it and then make something like this again, okay, yeah, as the same as before, okay, something like this and something like this, okay. So we got for this side, okay, okay, there you go. So you got something like this over here, something like that, and then just flip it. Nah, make it looks like a kite again. Now do for the other side, for this side, okay. So we do the same, we fold it, yeah, something like that, and then we fold it again over here, something like that, okay, and then we do the same, yeah, we put our thumb here and then we make the same pattern, okay, something like this. Wow, it's great to finally do this, okay, something like that, okay. Okay, I'm gonna make it better. Now we do that, okay. Okay, so we have something like this, and then after that, so we already have this one too, yeah, something like this, as you can see, yeah. So, I know you can do that, it's easy, yeah. Follow my step slowly, yeah, follow my step slowly. Now After we got it something like this, what we have to do is a simple, yeah. I got this one, the one side, and then this one, the two side. I'm gonna flip it, okay. The one side is on the right side, yeah, this one, yeah, which has one corner. So now I'm gonna flip it, and then what I do next is something like this, yeah. We make a fold out of it, just like make a, okay, something like this, yeah. Okay, do it also for the other side. Wow, as you can see, it's already make a nice pattern, yeah, something like this. So I know you can do that. You can do that. Now after that, we just flip, yeah, flip it over again, and then flip this one, and then we also flip this one, and then after that, yeah, something like this. We just flip this one, okay, this one, okay. I'm gonna flip it for you, something like that, okay. Okay, so like that, okay. Now do for the bottom also, yeah, this one, the bottom one. I'm gonna flip it also, something like that, okay. So something like this, yeah. Okay, okay, as you can see. Okay, now what we have to do is just fold it, yeah, fold it, something like that, okay. Ready, fold it. Okay, now what we have to do next is just do something like this. And then we do also something like that. Okay. Okay. And then as usual, we make something like this, okay. Okay, it's great. Now do for the other side, okay. Now we fold it to this side, and then also we fold it to this side. Okay, now we do the same, something like this, okay. Ready, looks like a okay. Okay, as you can see, it almost there, Now what we have to do next is we gonna make this one, okay. We're gonna make something like this. Make sure it is a vertical, okay, parallel with this one, okay. Okay, make sure it is okay, okay. Oh, no, I got it wrong. I mean this one, okay, this one. Now to make the this one, the bird wings, yeah, more open, we have to make this one here, as you can see. Yeah, so it will be more bloom, yeah, more bloom, more blossom. So I'm gonna do that for 2. Okay, something like that. So that, as you can see, the wings, yeah. Now it also do that for this one, the bottom wing. Okay, something like that. And then for the other side, something like that. So as you can see, the wing is blossom. Now we're gonna make the head. What you do first is you do something like that, yeah. Here and here is parallel, yeah, straight line. And then after that, do for the other side also. Okay, do for the other side, something like this, parallel. And then after that, just put your hand here. Okay, now we're gonna make something to make the head of the parrot. Okay, to make the head, okay, we have to do something like like this, yeah. Okay, as you can see, we're gonna form the head of the parrot. Okay, now make it nice and firm, but okay, it's a little bit tricky, you know, but it's not impossible to do that, because okay, this one, yeah, already. Now after that, open it up, yeah, and then make a fold again to do the back side, something like this, and then make a fold again up, something like that, yeah. So we basically make 2 fold, and then already we got the head of the parrot. Now what you have to do is make something like this, so it will be something like that, as you can see, yeah. Okay, now make a little square down. Yeah, it's so tiny, so I need to be careful. Okay, already done. Now let's make the foot of the parrot. Okay, something like that, yeah. Always make the foot of the parrot. Okay, already one side of the foot. Now the other side of the foot, yeah, as you can see, I do that. Now we open it, yeah, as usual, and make a nice fold. Okay, something like that. So already we got the foot, we got the head of the parrot. Now what you have to do is the final touch. Yeah, what is the final touch? The final touch is to make eye using a marker or a ballpoint. So now we're gonna make the eye of the parrot. Okay, I'm gonna draw it here. Okay, that's beautiful eye. Now I'm gonna make a nice circle here. Okay, as you can see, and maybe you can draw this one, make the black color out of it. something like that. And then also this one, make it black. Or if you prefer another color, you can do that also. Ta-da! We already got our parrot here. Now we got 3 parrot. Okay, we got 3 parrot. Ta-da! So that's how you make easy origami parrot. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Ciao ciao.